Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply hyaluronic acid serum on face. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or oil. This ensures a clean canvas for your serum. After cleansing, gently pat your skin with a clean towel, leaving it slightly damp. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from its surroundings, so applying it to damp skin helps it pull that water into your skin, maximizing its hydrating benefits. Now dispense about 2 to 3 drops of hyaluronic acid serum onto your fingertips. A little goes a long way with this powerful ingredient. Gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, distributing it evenly. Remember, patting helps with absorption and avoids unnecessary pulling on your skin. Ensure full coverage for optimal hydration. After applying the serum, give it about 60 seconds to fully absorb into your skin. Once it feels slightly tacky or absorbed, it's time to seal in all that wonderful moisture. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. This creates a protective barrier, preventing the hyaluronic acid from drawing moisture out of your skin and ensuring long-lasting hydration throughout the day or night. For the best results, incorporate hyaluronic acid serum into both your morning and evening skincare routines. Consistency is key to achieving plump, hydrated skin. Remember to store your serum in a cool, dark place to maintain its efficacy. And as always, finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from environmental damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.